Hey, everyone! Today, we're diving into the MUBVIEW Smart Q5 wireless battery security camera. If you're looking for a security solution that combines cutting-edge technology with convenience, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. As we unbox the MUBVIEW Q5, you'll find everything neatly packed: the camera itself, a user manual, and the essential accessories. The setup is user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone, from tech enthusiasts to beginners. The MUBVIEW Q5 is 100% wireless, equipped with a powerful 5200 mAh rechargeable battery. On a single charge, you get an impressive 5 months of battery life, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. And if you want to extend that even further, you can pair it with their solar panel accessory. With advanced AI algorithms, this camera can accurately detect humans in just 3 seconds, minimizing false alerts. It's not just a security camera, it's a versatile tool. Use it as a pet camera, baby monitor, or a reliable dog camera. And, of course, record those memorable moments to share with friends. The built-in microphone and speaker allow for seamless two-way communication. Whether you're talking to your family, checking in on your pets, or even warding off intruders, the two-way audio feature has you covered. Designed to withstand the elements, this camera is IP66 waterproof. So, rain or shine, it keeps your property secured. The flexibility to save videos, either to a micro SD card or the cloud, adds an extra layer of convenience. The standout feature of this camera is its ability to capture crystal clear 2K images and videos. Whether it's day or night, you're guaranteed exceptional clarity. The color night vision ensures you won't miss any details, even in low light conditions. And here's the cherry on top: MUBVIEW stands by their product with a lifetime service guarantee, ensuring a no-risk purchase for you. It's always great to see a company that believes in the quality and durability of their product. As we wrap up, the MUBVIEW Smart Q5 wireless battery security camera ticks all the boxes, from top-notch features to long-lasting battery life. It's a reliable, user-friendly solution for anyone looking to enhance their security. If you're interested, check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay secure.